I had a session with you, I think it is in March, and that was my second session with you. I remember
Okay.
it. I forget. Then
Maybe I forgot actually.
how are you?
I'm pretty good, thank you. And how about you?
It's okay. How your channel is going on?
I can say it is moderate, not too, good or not too bad.
Okay. Then okay. In spite of, I remember you, but I have forget you are belongs to which state and what is your profession. So if you tell me little bit as intro, I will be happy.
Yeah, sure. So, my name is Tanuja, and I'm from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my education, so I have completed my engineering, and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company, and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube for past 2 years. If I'll talk about my hobbies, so I love drawing, dancing, and traveling. That's all about me.
Okay, very nice introduce. It is acceptable and adorable.
May I
So,
know about you as well?
yes, yes, sure.
Mhm.
Thanks for giving me the opportunity. I am Ruby and I am from Assam. As per my qualification, I am simple graduate, but I cleared my previous, but due to some reason I have not completed that. Next, I have done 1 year computer diploma. I worked in a school also as a teacher for 2 years. But after getting married, I had not gone out for any job.
Mhm.
Last year again, I joined in schools, but I was there for 10 months. Now I am working as a mutual fund distributor, and current year I have done one course on tax. But after I had taken only three conversation in the March. After that, full April month, I have not taken any conversation. And
Okay.
now I am not consistent. Sometimes it's take break 7 days, 3 days, and
Mhm.
sometimes 10 days. But last 4 or 5 days, I am doing regularly. It means I am taking conversation regularly. Recently, I have opened one YouTube channel also, but I'm very beginner. If you
Mhm.
ask about edit in that area, I am zero. So less confidence. And
Yeah, yeah.
did you get
Initially,
your
mhm.
channel monetized? I think
Mhm.
you have
Yeah.
started to earn money also.
Yes. Okay, I have few questions if I can ask.
Okay, okay, sure.
Okay, so do you have any favorite vacation?
Favorite vacation.
Yeah.
As I am working as mutual fund distributor, but I am not busy all the day. You can say the whole month and whole year is vacation for me.
Okay.
But I don't get time, don't manage time to go outside because my husband is a businessman, so it is very difficult to go outside for I mean travel.
Okay. Didn't you travel anywhere in your past time?
Yeah, it is very less. I
Mm-hmm.
visit in Calcutta and Hyderabad, but this much. And
Okay.
Assam, I belongs to Assam, so I I visited Assam only. Hyderabad also, I have been there 6 times. I have been there in Hyderabad because my brother stays there.
Mm-hmm.
My mother also was there. Now she is no more. So I had gone in Hyderabad every year or in 1.5 years. I visit there. So this is all.
Okay. So which one you like most, like Hyderabad or your Assam?
Obviously, it is Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a metropolitan. I think it is metropolitan city, and
Mm-hmm.
Assam is not like Hyderabad. It means Assam is not forward like Hyderabad. It is much more backward state than Hyderabad. So, but if Assam scenario is very nice, it is. If you talk about professions, then it is very backward place.
Okay. And in terms of like nature and all, it is beautiful place, I
It is
guess. Yeah.
beautiful. Hyderabad is also beautiful. I have seen there because I have seen that Hyderabad is very clean city. But
Mm-hmm.
Assam's capital city is Guwahati. That is not comparable to Hyderabad on account of clearness. So
Okay. Hmm. Okay, so is there any favorite color that suits on your personality?
It means you are asking me about the favorite color. What is my favorite color, right?
Yeah, favorite color also,
Yeah,
and that define your personality as
I
well.
see pink color and white color. White color because it gives us peace of our mind. It is holy color. As we Hindu, we always believe that white color is holy for us. Um, and if you talk about the pink color, I think it feels us that it is clean.
Hmm.
It feels us enjoy little bit pink colors. See, in the you know when we talk the how are you? Sometimes we used to talk that I am in pink. It means feels us enjoy, right? So these two color is favorite for me.
Yes, and I think pink color is favorite for especially girls, as I have heard so many things. Especially the kids, so you must have seen that whenever you will ask them, like you have to choose one color, but definitely they are gonna pick the pink
Pink
color only.
color, yes, right. Pink color.
Yes. If I'll talk about me, so I love black color in dresses because it suits on me. But
Yeah.
in terms of my personality, I would say that white color or maybe pink color because I'm also kind of peace silent girl. So I feel that this color, define me. Like maybe white color or like light pink color. So yes.
So you are telling me that you are introvert girl. Are you?
Yeah.
I
Yes.
I think you are involved in a company also.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
But
Oh,
in company also, I don't speak much to be honest, and because of that nature, I feel very difficulties in most of the work also. Like I want to share so many things, but because of my this nature, like I speak very less, so I will speak only when it is required. Otherwise, I'm not gonna say anything. So
same.
it happens.
Okay, everybody is not an okay. Same nowadays. So many children are shows that they are very introvert. I think this is happens. They are single kids. Max, many of our parents has only single kids, and they are growing in nuclear family. This is, I think, this affects on children to become an introvert children. Sometimes it is also you are a girl now. You will not understand when you will become mother. Then you will feel that a single kid is not good, not at all good, because they don't get parents are always busy and they feel very alone in that time. So they also need siblings to play with him or her.
Yes, yes, I think you are right. And yeah, but nowadays, like mostly parents prefer only one child because they are not, they don't have enough time to take care of their child. So that's why. And in only one child, they say now it's enough.
Not only the manage only nowadays high cost in everything. If you ask about the educations, this is very expensive era now.
Hmm.
If want to give your child a good study, in that time also we need a lot of money. Otherwise you will not able to give your child in a good school or in good schools, sorry, in good college. So that is the,
Yes,
I think, another reasons our middle classes are going day by day. It means they are becoming poor day by day because of the privatization area. So I think that is the another reason also. Economic reason also another side. Everybody wants to give a good quality of education their child, and
yes,
not only on education, they also wants to give the food and time and everything. Dress, if you talk about the dress, everything they want to give their child in good way. So I think that is the another reasons. The increase day by day on of one kid.
yes. I think there are these two reasons. Like nowadays, mostly couple are working, like mother and father both. So that could be the reason. And also, you mentioned that inflation rate are also high. Like we
Yes.
are just everything is expensive is, and most of the people, if you will not give your kids a better education and better atmosphere, So they will just compare themselves with other people, like I'm not that kind of person, or I'm not getting this kind of environment. So that's why I'm not getting this kind of benefit in the future also.
Okay, but single kid is not good for the child because they feel very lonely.
Mm-hmm.
They need their brother or sister to play. When they will fail, they will feel enjoy. No, in that time, automatically their brain also work much more. And if
Hmm.
they bored, then it is. I think it is not good. It is not good. And I observed also in many more situations. I worked in schools also. I think 12 to 13 years, and
Hmm.
I always used to study on this purpose also. And current year I have done one course also on child psychology. Once single people are not good in any way. That's
Hmm.
and if two kids know, then it is easy to handle for parents also.
Yes.
Otherwise, like nuclear family, if one kids
Hmm.
they will not able to explain. You will not example to explain him if he or she does anything because they always in that time when they were very, very young, no, they always compare with their parents. Then it is very difficult to
Yes.
to understand.
Hmm. Yes, yes, you are absolutely right, I think, in this case. Okay.
Anything, any question do you have?
Okay, so do you have any like proudest accomplishment?
Proudest. It
Yeah.
means um,
Or any accomplishment that you can share.
it is very lovely questions, but I am not ready for these questions. I never think that which was my proudest moment. Uh, Sorry,
Mhm.
I will tell you again. Okay, later.
Okay.
Uh, okay.
Okay.
You
Anyways.
you have such situations, if you want to share with me.
Yeah, I have few accomplishment I can say. Like if I'll talk about the very first, so when I completed my 12th standard, so I got a first rank in my whole school. So and also, I awarded with the prize money, chief minister,
Mr.
like yeah, 25,000 rupees
It
in the
was very
12th standard.
yes, that was that was very excitable moment for. Yes, everybody will be excitement in that time. That is
And like in the memory of this, my parents throw a big party for me. Like yes, she has done a great job, and she secured a very good marks in whole school, and they invited every relative and like my family members and like friends, everyone. So I
very
was
nice.
very happy that time, and I still remember those those
Yes,
things.
you will have this what means this proud moments when you will become old also because this is remindable fact it is as you are working in a private company are you uh, I mean how have you been working in
How long I'm working here?
yes
Okay, I've been working here for it's about to complete 5 years. In October, it will be complete.
okay you are working in a same company or you are changing the company
I switched to another company.
how yeah still I have worked in how many companies
Yeah, it's my second company.
is your second company are you satisfied with your job
Yes, I would say that 80% I'm satisfied. But yes, like every time we have a lot of opportunity to grow more in the corporate field. So I can't say that I'm very satisfied because in terms of learning and earning both, I need to grow more in this field. So definitely I want to do something big in my life. But for that, I need to work hard. But sometimes I get, what can I say? I get lazy. Like now I'm in already in job. So what is the requirement like this? So sometimes I procrastinate the thing.
okay and will you tell me that if it means your job is better than to government jobs. If you now sorry now if you get any government jobs in
Mhm.
your post, I think you are working as an engineer, right?
Yes.
You
Mhm.
have completed your engineering in computer science, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
right.
If you get any government job, then you job I will stay here.
Okay, so I would say that in government job, first benefit is that our it's our job security. So
Yes.
especially most of the people think that if they will get like a secure job, so that would be benefit for their whole life. If I'll
Mm-hmm.
talk about me, so I'm working in a private company, so I can't predict that what will happen next. If company will go in loss, so they can fire you anytime. So there is no like this kind of foundation. So yeah, if I'll get chance to do government job, so yeah, I can prefer. But I'm still satisfied with my job because in my designation itself, I don't have much pressure, and I always wanted to work as an engineer. So that's why I'm quite happy.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Now, nowadays it's in our times,
Mhm.
there was no a lot of companies.
Yeah.
Now a lot of companies are there, and students are also ready for job in that they can involve in company,
Hmm.
right? And they were switching their companies also, and they are increasing their salary also. So
Yes,
this is
as I have heard that in private companies, especially, you can get a lot of chance to learn new things. Especially if I'll talk about my field, like in IT field, so you can learn a lot of things every day, and yeah, earning is also a plus point. Like you can switch to another job, another company for better package. But in government job, I have seen that it's
no.
like they have already decided that this time you will get increment like this, or you can't switch very early, like
Yes,
whenever you want.
they are also not willing to learn many more things through their job. A
Hmm.
one government employee, right?
Yes,
So,
yes. So, both have their own pros and cons. Okay, I think I need to bind up this call. I got
okay,
some work also. Okay,
thanks. Nice to
thank you
talk
so
with
much. Yeah,
you. Okay.
you. Thank you. Bye bye.